Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is a 3D printer that brings a lot to the table. With features like Sprite Direct Extrusion and a dual Z-axis, it aims to enhance the printing experience. The impressive printing speed of 250 mm per second ensures efficiency without compromising quality. The inclusion of the IU display and CR Touch adds user-friendly elements, making it more accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Overall, the Creality Ender-3 V3 seems like a solid choice for those seeking a reliable 3D printer with advanced features. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Pro. The newest ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Pro seems to be quite the powerhouse in the world of 3D printing. With a maximum printing speed of 500 mm per second, it's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. The high-powered dual-core LeviQ 2.0 adds a touch of sophistication, promising efficient and reliable performance. Auto-leveling with the LeviQ 2.0 is a nice touch, ensuring that your prints come out just the way you want them without the hassle of manual adjustments. It's like having a personal assistant for your 3D printing adventures. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X6 Burmese Chots. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X6 Burmese Chots is a cutting-edge resin 3D printer designed to elevate your printing experience to new heights. Its standout feature is the impressive 6K resolution, ensuring unparalleled detail and precision in your prints. With this level of clarity, your creations come to life with exceptional quality. The printer boasts advanced LCD technology, leading to faster curing times and more efficient printing. This means you can bring your ideas to reality in less time without compromising on the quality of your models. One of the key advantages of the Photon Mono X6 Burmese Chots is its spacious build volume, providing ample room for printing larger-scale projects. This feature enables you to pursue ambitious designs without being constrained by size limitations. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure Plus. The ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure Plus is a handy 2-in-1 machine designed to streamline the post-processing workflow for 3D printing enthusiasts, specifically tailored for use with the Photon Mono M5S LCD 3D printer. This device combines two essential functions, washing and curing, into a single, efficient unit. The washing function ensures thorough cleaning of 3D printed models, removing any residual uncured resin. Once washed, the curing process takes place within the same machine, using UV light to solidify and harden the printed layers for a finished and polished look. The integration of both washing and curing functions in one machine not only saves space but also simplifies the post-processing steps, making it more convenient for users. The ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure Plus aims to enhance the overall 3D printing experience by providing a comprehensive solution for achieving high-quality, professionally finished models with ease. Number 5. Sovol SV04 3D Printer. The Sovol SV04 3D printer is a versatile and advanced 3D printing machine that stands out for its independent dual extruder (IDX) feature. This means you can print with two different materials or colors simultaneously, opening up a world of creative possibilities. The auto-leveling feature ensures that your prints start on a perfectly leveled surface, contributing to print accuracy and quality. One notable aspect of the Sovol SV04 is the integration of TMC 2209 silent drivers, which significantly reduces operational noise during the printing process. This makes it an ideal choice for those who value a quieter working environment or wish to avoid disruptions in shared spaces.